So here's the 029 30-year-old chainsaw. I'm gonna attempt to rebuild. I got it mostly disassembled. I'm gonna pull this oiler out of here. I'm gonna take the locking mechanism out of there. I'm probably gonna have to take the whole motor out, but this is just the first pressure washer test, or not test, but cleaning part. So right here it is, all cleaned up. Stihl 2029. Piston looks good in this, so I'm not gonna take the jug off or take the motor out, flywheel, whatever. I'm gonna leave it in there. Just cleaned it up best I could. Let's get to reassembling. All right, hard part's done. This locking mechanism right here was pretty tricky, but we got it. We're almost there. Get this exhaust gasket in there. It's hard to do this one-handed. All right, I'm in the home stretch. Just got to put that carb in, hook the fuel lines up. Stupid little knickknacks. I'm gonna try to fire this bitch up. Hopefully it works. Here she is. I'd say 95% put back together. Got that carb in there all cleaned up, looking good. Let's put some gas in this bitch, see if I can fire it up. See if I did it right.